There's a rather strange thing going on here. There's also a DUNN, but the DUNN is very, very small in comparison to the other youngster. And I don't know. I had a kind of a board here to cover them, and then on 2 occasions I came here and the board fell flat over the DUNN youngster. I don't know if that is the reason. Like this one, it's a little smaller. I'll just continue. It doesn't look too bad, but the size difference, I don't know. Maybe this could be a mixture for the eggs also. Not sure. But let's proceed and see how it turns out. Alright guys, that's the DUNNs. You can see the down, the fluff, it's much less than the other youngster. Care about the size here, man. Alright guys, cheers, I'm out. Oh, if it's my imagination, but it seems like it's catching up in size. Catching up in size. I don't know if I breed this color DUNN. I just dusted the bird with a little cobber dust. I don't think I ever bred this color DUNN. It just looks a little bit strange off the color, but yeah, in comparison with the previous video, it seems like it's catching up in size. Let's just see what the other DUNN is doing. Quick to the other loft. Quick to the other loft. There's Daddy, 1085. This youngster's 2011 bird. There you can see on his ring. I don't know if you can see 2011 upside down today. So yeah, he's still a big daddy now. The youngster is looking nice. So 28241. This would be his siblings. I don't know, brother and sister, hopefully. Yeah, it was my third bird back on the Bloemfontein. Nice and dry underneath. Nest is dry. I like it. I like it. Alright, that's the DUNNs, the progress of the DUNNs. Get the nest, the droppings. I'll be cleaning here maybe by the weekend when I'm off. Alright, cheers guys, that is just the update of the DUNNs. I'm out.